Good morning, everyone. I've been getting a lot of requests to videotape my dry curing refrigerator. You can reach me at reversesmoker@gmail.com. I bought this on Craigslist. As you can see, this is my setup. About 37 degrees, 4 degrees Celsius, humidity is 84%. I got my prosciuttos hanging, some dry sausage, some capicola, some ribeye, New York strip, barzola, and some more capicola, and some homemade wine on the bottom. The reason why these are packaged, I'm following the umai theory, so we'll see how that goes. The one on the right is a Berkshire, and the one on the left is from the local Pathmark. This is hanging since August, and this I just put up last month, in November. It takes about a year. I follow the Guzman cooking on. You can look him up on online and see how that works out. The only modification I did was I took the probe, thermostat probe, and I put it down into the refrigerator so I know that the temperature is accurate. Dry sausage is also umai, very delicious. I gotta make some more. Fan keeps on blowing 24/7. Got a lot of movement in there, a lot of air movement. You can see them moving just a little bit. I do have my humidifier right in the back, and a fan that goes on every once in a while. I believe 3 times a day for 30 minutes, but it's really not needed. Okay. A lot of people have this technical gauges on the side of their refrigerator. Because I have a thermostat, I can regulate the temperature, so I don't need gauges. This is my setup in the back. One strip. The top one's for the refrigerator. The next one below that is for my humidifier, which has its own temperature and fan speed. Everything's on auto. And the timer below that is for the fan that goes on. Bought this on Craigslist, $200. Cost me about $200 or $300 to get it repaired because it wasn't working properly. The humidifier I had, but it's about $60. The fan I had, I was going to throw it out. I know it's big, but instead of throwing it out, I just put it in there. Usually a desk fan works, but that's it. Have any questions, you can reach me at reversesmoker@gmail.com, and we'll see how it goes. I put the weight of the meat, the day I bought it, where I bought it, what type of meat, and when it's going to be ready. And that you can see right there. So I hope you enjoy the video. I'll try to post some videos on how I prepare this food. So stay tuned. Again, if you have any questions, you can email me at reversesmoker@gmail.com.